Hello friends, today we configure D-Link router model number DIR650IN. First, you connect your router with the PC and laptop with the help of Ethernet LAN cable. Now open your search browser and type 192.168.0.1 by default IP address for login. Put your username and password. By default is a admin and click on login for router configuration page open. This router have 4 mode: AP mode, router mode, repeater mode or repeater WISP mode. We configure this router as a router mode. You can select as per your requirement. After selecting the mode of the router, you will see the default wireless SSID and password below. Now, as per your requirement, wireless SSID and wireless password you can change. Scroll down and now auto configuration DHCP make disable because I configure this router in triple PoE mode. Make enable triple PoE and now put your username and password which provide your ISP. After fill the username and password, click on save and apply button. Your router will start reboot. Your configuration is complete.